Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to make a DWG file in AutoCAD. So basically, let's say if you have a planning floor plan or a perfect floor plan, something that looks something like this. So let's say you want to make a specific DWG file of only this plan. So all you have to do is just select whatever you want in your plan. Let's say I just want this in my plan, and then you have to write the command w block, which is right over here, w block, and just press on it. You have to browse through your destination, that where you want your dwg file for it. So let's say I'll write this as plan, and then you can select the file here that you want for your AutoCAD drawing. So I have to send it to a client who is using a lower version of AutoCAD. So always send them files that are saved in a lower version. So and just save it right over here and just press OK. Your dwg file on your selected path will be ready, which is right over here, as you can see it. So this is how simple it is to make a DWG file in AutoCAD itself without closing this window or without closing this file. So that was it for the video. If you liked the video and found it useful, then share it with someone who may need it. And thank you.